What is up everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Hope, and today's video I'm super excited about. If you guys are a fan of Panic at the Disco, you might have seen that they were selling mystery boxes. So one of my friends bought me the mystery boxes, and I am going to open it on camera for you guys, kind of do an unboxing video, which I've never done, which is really weird, but like, it's okay. I'm panic trash, so of course I was going to do this. Yeah, let's just jump right on into it. I'm kind of confused because I only got one actual box, but like whenever I open it and look at this, it does have like the thing that says that it's both boxes. So like, I don't know if they just put everything for both boxes into one box, or if this is only one box and the other box is missing, because it says that both of them were delivered. But we're just gonna open this one anyway, because I've had it sitting here for a day now and it has been torture not being able to open it. And then I also got a free poster with it, so that's exciting. Let's start with this. I have nails on, this is difficult. Got it. I think I already know what the poster is, and I'm already very excited. Hell yeah! Yes! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am actually getting this key right here. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting that tattooed, so stay tuned for that.
You're making a huge mistake. Tattoos are forever. No one will love you.
Well, that's a great start. I love that. I've been looking for something to put up behind my bed, so that's perfect. Okay, and then here is the box. And it does say fragile on it. Glass fragile, so I'm hoping it's either a mug or a candle. I'll cry. I'll be so happy. Right, I did open it because I wanted to see which box it was, but I didn't look at what was in it at all. So, right off the start, yes! We got an incense burner. I have wanted this for as long as it's been online. This video is going to be me struggling to get everything open because of my nails. Ooh. I thought it was like a wooden one. No, this is nice. And it says Stay Up on That Rise, which is from High Hopes, which is my favorite song ever. So I love that. This is really nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I love that. Yes. A freaking hat. I needed a new black hat. So like, this is perfect. I just wear these out whenever I don't feel like doing my hair. Like if I'm going to the grocery store or something, I always just throw a hat on. So, hell yes. I'm not as think as you drunk, I am. A nice little koozie. That's so cute. We got some bracelets. Let's open these up and see what they say. We have Panic at the Disco, Panic at the Disco. Living like a washed up celebrity. Hell yeah. If it feels good, tastes good, it must be mine. Fuck yeah. Ooh, and then we got a shirt. I'm very excited. It's the Amazing Bebo shirt. Hell yeah. And then on the back, it has the Pray for the Wicked 2019 tour dates, which I did not go to, which is very upsetting, but like, it's okay. Oh my god. Freaking bandana thing. Oh, hell yeah. This ain't my first rodeo, Panic at the Disco. That is so cute. I love that. I might actually end up hanging this up on my wall also. And then hell yes, I'm so excited. Only gold is hot enough. Oh, this packaging is so nice. Fuck yes, my dude. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That smells so good.
Is it real? It's real.
I absolutely love that. Oh my god. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna keep this little box and put stuff in it. That's a nice box. So I did just look on Panic Updating's Instagram. If you don't know them, they're like the biggest Panic fan account. And this is both boxes. So this is confirmed that this is what comes in both boxes. Honestly, I am very happy with this. I was literally praying to the wicked that I got the candle and the incense burner, and I did, so I'm very happy. So we got the candle, we got the incense burner, we got a hat, we got the bandana, we got 3 bracelets, we got the koozie, and then we got a shirt. Honestly, I think that's a great deal. And then the free poster came with it. So I am very happy with this. I'm very satisfied. I love all of this. You know I'm gonna end up wearing all of it. You know I'm gonna end up wearing the shirt, the bracelets, the hat, the bandana. I'm actually going to a music festival to see Panic. So I might end up wearing this there because, yeah. And then that candle, oh my god, it smells so freaking good. I'm so happy right now. I'm gonna put these on right now. I'm gonna look like my 13-year-old self and wear these all the time now. I'm trash, it's okay. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. Also, I do have merch, so if you want to check that out, that's in the description, along with my Depop and all of my other social media, so go follow me and all of that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!